Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make capitalize all words in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now you want to make all text capitalize. At first, select your text. Click inside the text box, then select your text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and select the change case option. We can see here the capitalize all word. Now I am select this. We can see here the first letter of the word is capital. Now we apply the same process in another page. Go to the another slide and click inside the text box. You can select this text using keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard. Then select the change case option and choose capitalize each word. Now we can see we make capitalize all words in PowerPoint very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.